So in this lesson, we're going to calculate the midpoint. Remember, this is the middle point, like right exactly in the middle of a line segment using the midpoint formula. You actually looked at the midpoint formula in the other lesson, so I'm not going to, go too much into detail about it. Let's just state what it is. So this, I guess, will be example 1. I don't know why that looks so horrible. I don't know if that's more horrible than usual or not, but I'm going to try at least to make it better. Example 1. Okay. So let's find the midpoint here. So we know that we have 2 points, A and B. We know that the midpoint's probably like right here, but let's pretend we didn't know. That way this just like serves as a way of checking. Like, we're not doing this because we don't know where it is. We're doing this so we can make sure that what we're doing works. So A is 2, 3. B is 8, 6. Now you explained in the last lesson the midpoint and how it works. So let's just go ahead and use it. The midpoint formula first is x1 plus x2 over 2. So remember, we just add them together. We find the middle by dividing it. And the same with the y's. Okay, and let's just label these. This can be my first x, and this is my second x. And this is my first y, so y1. This is my second y, y2. So I'm going to add 2 plus 8, and then divide by 2. And then I'm going to add 3 plus 6, and divide by 2. 2 plus 8 is 10, divided by 2. 3 plus 6 is 9. Wait, something's wrong here. This is 2, 3. This is 8, 7. That's why. This should be a 7. How come y'all let me just go through this whole lesson with the wrong number there? I'm going to put a 7 here, okay? So this is a 7. And 3 plus 7 is 10. And 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So this is the midpoint. I have to put MP for midpoint. That doesn't seem geometry friendly. I'll just write midpoint. And we can tell it's actually like right here, like 5, 5. Let's try it again. So right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 at a distance of 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. So it should be like somewhere right here. Somewhere right there. Let's label our points. I don't know. Let's label them X. No, that's going to be confusing us later. Let's use A and B again. I like A and B. So A is -6, 3, and B is 3, 3. Oh, that should make it easier later. Let's write our midpoint formula. Is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, so x1 is here, y1 is here, x2 is here, y2 is here. So -6 plus 3 divided by 2. And 3 plus 3 divided by 2. So that gives me -3 over 2. And this gives me 6 over 2. And that will give me negative 1.5, and this will give me 3. And that is my midpoint. See, then let's make sure it makes sense. Let's look at it. I guess we should box this. That'll be nicer. I don't know if it's going to be nicer now. It works. So negative 1.5 and 3. Negative 1.5 and 3. Oh, cool. That was it. Negative 1.5, 3. Okay, let's do one more. M equals x1 plus x2 over 2. And y1 plus y2 over 2. Remember, it doesn't matter which one is the first point or the second point. It doesn't matter. That's the point. You get it? You get it? Okay, let's do E and F. I don't know. E, F. So negative 5, 3. And 4, negative 2. The midpoint should be, I don't know, something like right here maybe? I guess we'll find out. So, it doesn't matter which one's first. So this time I'm going to do x1 and y1 here. And we can do x2 and y2 here. It doesn't matter. So 4 plus negative 5 over 2. And then negative 2 plus 3. I like to put my negatives in parentheses just so I don't mess them up, but that one's unnecessary. So 4 plus negative 5 is negative 1 over 2. And negative 2 plus 3 is positive 1, and then over 2. So let's put it in decimal form. Negative 0.5, comma 0.5. This is my midpoint. Let's see if it makes sense. I should have done that before I boxed it. Negative 0.5 and 5. Negative 0.5. Okay, cool. Negative 0.5 and 0.5. You could also left it in fraction form if you want. Just make sure that if it has a graph, you put it on there. And that is it. Thank you.